Are you in the snow? Is it cold? Woo!
Sam.
Fall down. Jump in the snow.
Say hi from the snow.
Hi, look at all the snow we got. It's sticky?
We'll give her a hot bath after.
All right, put that on the video. A lot of snow. Hi.
We're looking forward to Florida. Hi, Sam.
What's a snowman say? Woo. What's your name?
Sam.
Are you having fun?
Nope.
Nope. You never say yes. You always say no. Oh, baby down. Yes, I had to resort to plastic bags on the feet. She was getting snow in her boots and got mad, so we had to put the old Walmart bags on the feet. Say hi, Sam. Look at the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Catch the snow. Catch it. It's deep, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you throwing snowballs at Papa? Yeah, we had just a little bit of snow. Still coming down. Wave, Sam.
That's a lot of snow up on that roof.
Make a snow angel, honey. Can you fall down in it? Nope. I showed you how. There you go. You're such a goofball. Okay, say bye-bye. Wave. Say hi. Bye.